Alright, I'm gonna be the first man to put memes on a floppy disk. I've got 3 incredibly low quality videos that I've burned to this CD, and then I'm gonna put them on the floppy disk. Because I can do that. So yeah, I just gotta get one of my Memorex cool disks. Yes, the box shattered in shipping. I don't think I've used the blue one yet. I meant to do that. Alright, so our disk is loading. We'll put in the floppy as well. Shouldn't be anything on there. Yeah, there's not. Okay, here they are. Copy, and then I'll paste them on the floppy. Yes! Well, maybe I need to clean the head or something, I don't know. This laptop shakes my chair so much. Here we go. So, here, I'll take the disc out. So you can see on the camera, it's the A drive that I've got these memes in. That worked. Did this one? Okay, so my laptop isn't fast enough to decode the graphics of that video quickly enough, but it worked. And then I've got I'm pretty sure that's the file that got corrupted because it doesn't have video, but I'm just gonna say that that worked. I have memes on a floppy disk. But yeah, that's it for this video. I guess thanks for watching.